Hello, my dear friends. Do you want to look 30 at 60? Try these Japanese youth recipes that gently cleanse dead skin cells, remove wrinkles, and fade dark spots. Baking soda is a natural exfoliant that purifies, smooths, and renews the skin. It helps brighten the tone and leaves your face soft and glowing. First recipe: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of water. Benefit: this simple mask deeply cleanses pores, removes excess oil, and smooths fine lines. Subscribe for more natural beauty recipes. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, and hands. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 times a week, in the evening before sleep. Second recipe: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 small piece of banana. Banana nourishes, softens, and hydrates the skin. This mask gently exfoliates, evens out the skin tone, and restores smoothness. Friends, write in the comments where you are watching from. How to use: apply to your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Third recipe: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of oatmeal flour. Oatmeal soothes irritation and brightens the skin. Add a little water to form a soft paste. This mask calms the skin, gently removes dead cells, and gives a natural glow. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 times a week. Subscribe for more beauty recipes. Fourth recipe: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of mandarin juice. Mandarin brightens dull skin and boosts radiance. This mask tones, energizes, and adds a fresh glow. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use once or twice a week, in the morning, for freshness. Fifth recipe: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of avocado oil. Avocado oil deeply nourishes and restores elasticity. This mask smooths wrinkles, strengthens the skin barrier, and improves texture. How to use: apply to your face, neck, and décolleté. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 times a week, best before bed. Sixth recipe: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, Yogurt brightens and softens the skin. Half teaspoon of honey. Honey moisturizes and gives glow. Benefit: this mask reduces fine lines, brightens the complexion, and makes the skin silky smooth. Apply evenly to your face, neck, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Moisturize your skin afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.